Good afternoon to all my subscribers. Today it's 1st of April, and I believe everyone would have pranked the April Fool with their friends. So to be on the very spot, first and foremost, I'm going to give you my brief description on that is which is gonna right happen on which the ride gonna happen on May 17th, and it's a 13 days trip. So where we'll be covering all the destinations that is from Maharashtra. So first and foremost, from my home, we'll be directly heading to Bijapur, from there Solapur, from there Trimbakeshwar, from there one second guys, from there Trimbakeshwar, and after that we'll be heading to one of the two historical forts, that is which is the most precious, loved by all the Maratha people, that is the person who is belonging completely from the Marathas, and especially the person who always follows Chhatrapati Shivaji's principle. So those two forts are Rajgarh and Kondana Fort. I'll just give you what is the importance of Kondana Fort in the next vlog. Till then, be connected with me, and ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು. Thanks for all the viewers who has given me a best views in just 1 week of time, because when I started vlogging, whenever the 100 views used to come, it was like 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. But I'm thankful that you guys have reached my views in just 7 days, 89 views, 90 views. That's a good decent kickstart for me. And I'm very fluent with the English, so I'm trying to learn in Kannada also and start vlogging in Kannada also, but I'll ensure that it's gonna happen. And special congratulations to AMS biker group. So we have crossed 200 members, and almost like 200 plus members who are active. And so I'll be telling you in this vlog what are the small objectives that we are completing for this week. First and foremost, you have seen my transformation of bike. How was it, and how has that become after the third service? So there are a few more specifications that I'm adding onto my bike. One is Himalayan, that is front visor, which costed me around between 1,000 to 2,000. I'll be putting all the links into the YouTube as well as. So second thing is I purchased that Himalayan mount grill one, again which costed me like around 2,000 plus. So after that I started purchasing for the vlogging setup. So everything has come to my home. The only one thing is I have to take my bike to a service. Again I have to go for the oil checkup and as usual normal stuff. And special thanks to AMS, who is like I love AMS Club compared to the others, because one platform which I wanted, that was for my turning point. But yes, that credit goes to the AMS biking club. So to be very honest, this is the trip which is planned by me itself, and with me there are 2 more people coming. That will be very surprising, because you know who the people are. And just stay tuned in this videos. This video I won't even take more than 7 minutes, because it is just a small video where I wanted to brief you out what are the spots we are covering and how many days we are staying in each and every one on a destination. So first and foremost, we'll directly head to Bijapur. From there we're gonna stay at least like one day of time. So we're gonna cover all the Bijapur stuffs in just 1 day of time, which is basic essential to visit all the That is Bijapur, Gol Gumbaz, this kind of place we have selected. Second thing is we are directly heading to Solapur. From Solapur we'll be heading to Trimbakeshwar. In Trimbakeshwar we are staying for 2 days. One is for shopping purpose, one is for just visiting for the temple. So apart from that, so we shall see on the temperature, and we shall see on the like a degree, how much the degree would be in temperature. Depending upon that, there are like around 4 more forts to cover. Shall see what's gonna happen. So in case if we can cover, we shall finish that also. After that we'll be directly heading to Rajgarh Fort. From Trimbak we'll be heading to Rajgarh. From Rajgarh we'll be heading to Kondana. So in Rajgarh we'll be staying for 1 day, and like in Kondana we'll be staying for 1 more day. And after that, if possible, sorry, it is 100% sure shot, because we are my birthday is coming on May 2nd week, that is May 20th itself. So to be very specific, I have designed my trip for my brother and his that is my Atige, and as well as for me. This is just completely of our trip. So after that we will be going directly to Goa. From there, Goa we have selected destinations, but we are closely looking on the beach view types. So once that is decided, I'll be adding in that again in the second the next season coming vlog. And thank you so much guys. I have reached almost 40 subscribers. I need another around 60. First and foremost, I'm concentrating more on small targets, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. So I'm not aiming for 1000 subscribers. Just I'm concentrating more of views compared to the subscribers, because the more you're gonna get views, the more you get subscribers. That I understood in this vlogging career. So I guess it is the time to end this vlog. So we shall see you on next vlog, and stay in touch. And everyone, the person who is praying for me to go and come very success manner, I'm thankful for them, and I love you all. I owe my respect towards you, especially the person who's gonna treat me like a brother, who's treating me like a brother. Thank you so much. Love you all. Bye bye. Take care.